Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable YouTube Shorts vertical export presets from Premiere Pro. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Adobe Premiere Pro and load your project. Ensure your sequence is set to the desired vertical format. If it's not, go to Sequence, then Sequence Settings. Set the frame size to 1080 by 1920 pixels for vertical videos. Next, navigate to the Export menu by clicking File, then Export, followed by Media. In the export settings, ensure the format is set to H.264. Choose the preset dropdown and look for YouTube 1080p vertical. If that option isn't available, you'll need to create a click on the output name to choose where to save your export. Check the box for Use maximum render quality for optimal video quality. Under the Video tab, ensure the width is set to 1080 pixels and height to 1920 pixels. Adjust the bitrate settings if necessary. A target bitrate of 10 megabits per second is recommended. Switch to the Audio tab and confirm the sample rate is set to 48 kHz. Check that audio codec is set to AAC and bitrate to 320 kbps for high-quality sound. Once you've set everything up, click Export to start the exporting process. After the export finishes, locate your video file in the chosen directory. Your YouTube Shorts video is now ready for upload in vertical format. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.